Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello English language learners. In this lesson, we will explore the future perfect tense for Indonesia native speakers, presented by Bandung Linguophile Learner. Please watch this video until the end. Subscribe to my channel and kindly activate your notification bell to receive new lessons and stay up to date. Contents. Introduction, page 4. Future perfect with will, page 15. Future perfect with be going to, page 21. Adverbs, page 27. Closing, page 38. Introduction, part 1. Definition. The future tense is used to express an activity that will be finished at a specific time in the future. The future perfect has two forms, future perfect with will and future perfect with be going to. In the future perfect tense, we will encounter verb forms such as will have and be going to have. Will have and be going to have are called auxiliary verbs. The auxiliary verbs are used in combination with the past participle of the main verb. In the future perfect, the past participle of the main verb functions as the main verb and it receives the action of the sentence. Please see this video. What is the squirrel doing in this tree? And please take a look at this sentence. By the time he reaches the top of the arborvitae tree, the greedy squirrel will have finished eating all seed pods. In this timeline, which illustrates the three main segments of time, past events, present events, and future events. In the future perfect tense, for example, by the time he reaches the top of the arborvitae tree, the greedy squirrel will have finished eating all the seed pods. In this timeline, the first action is the greedy squirrel will have finished eating all seed pods, which needs to be completed before the second action. The sentence uses the future perfect tense because it has will have as the auxiliary verb and finished as the main verb. The second action is by the time he reaches the top of the arborvitae tree, which happens after the first action is completed. The sentence uses the simple present tense because reaches is the base form of the verb. So in conclusion, by using the future perfect tense, we show that the first action is The greedy squirrel will have finished eating all seed pods. Will be completed before the second action. By the time he reaches the top of the arborvitae tree occurs. In the sentence structure, the future perfect tense is used in the main clause, and the simple present is used in the adverb clause or the adverbial clause. In the future perfect tense, the adverbial clause typically begins with by the time or when. Part 2. Future perfect with will. Future perfect with will. To make an affirmative sentence, we put subject plus will have plus past participle. To make a negative sentence, we put subject plus will not plus have plus past participle. To make an interrogative sentence, we put will plus subject plus have plus past participle. Positive sentences. For example, number 1. When you return home, you will have finished your classes. Number 2. By the time I am 30, I will have married my future husband. Number 3. I will have visited many places in Bandung by the time I leave Indonesia. For example, by the time you complete the exam, you will not have finished all the questions. Number 2. When we arrive at the bus station, the bus will not have left the station. Number 3. By the time the book is due for return, I will not have completed reading all the pages. For example, will you have completed all the questions by the time you finish the examination? Number 2. Will the bus have departed from the station by the time we arrive at the bus terminal? Number 3. Will you have finished reading all the pages by the time the book is due? Part 3. Future perfect with be going to. Future perfect with be going to. To make an affirmative sentence, we put subject plus be going to plus have plus past participle. To make a negative sentence, we put subject plus be not going to plus have plus past participle. To make an interrogative sentence, we put be plus subject plus going to plus have plus past participle. Positive sentences. For example, number 1. She is going to have taken the written test by the end of the semester. Number 2. By the time they start watching TV, they are going to have finished their homework. Number 3. By the time he is 30, he is going to have started his own business. Negative sentences. For example, number 1. She is not going to have taken the written test by the end of the semester. Number 2. By the time she starts watching TV, they are not going to have finished their homework. Number 3. By the time he is 30, he is not going to have started his own business. Question sentences. For example, is she going to have taken the written test by the end of the semester? Number 2. Are they going to have finished the homework by the time they start watching TV? Number 3. Is he going to have started his own business by the time he's 30? Adverbs, Part 4. Adverb of frequency chart. Never 0%, seldom 15%, rarely 20%, sometimes 25%, often 50%, usually 75%, always 100%. Never means at no time. For example, we will never have discussed private matters in the public chat room. Always means very frequently. For example, we will always have cherished school experiences by the time of our graduation. Already means to emphasize that something was completed before something else happened. For example, we will already have discussed this matter by next week. Only means to mean that something is limited to some people, things, an amount, or an activity. For example, he will only have returned the laptop when he has the warranty. Just means just can mean recently or a very short time before or after speaking. For example, by the time you guess, I will just have given you a hint. Ever means at any time. For example, in the question, will you ever have given a hint by the time I guess? Ever can be used in a negative sentence. For example, you will not ever have given a hint by the time I guess. Still means to emphasize that something is continuing. For example, by the time they enroll in university, they will still have all the regulations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and see you next time. Bye. References. This page is intentionally left blank. This page is in